In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Tether on the Paxful app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device and log into your account using your credentials or your biometrics if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start buying your desired crypto. Now you will see the Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as the USDC and Tether right at the homepage. From this, simply tap on Tether and you can tap on Receive or Convert Tether option. After choosing your desired option, if you have already verified your account, you will be allowed to enter your desired amount of Tether that you would like to receive and choose the payment method from which you would like to pay for your transaction. You can simply enter your desired amount and proceed forward, and once you verify your identity through your payment method and finalize your transaction, you will receive your Tether within your Paxful account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can buy Tether on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.